Hi, this is just a quick video to help you if you reset your Android phone, in particular on Virgin, and so you've done a hard factory reset because you want to blank it all and start again, and your phone's probably working, but your mobile internet isn't working. It's dead easy to sort out. All you need to do is text a message to here we go. If you've recently swapped to a new SIM and are looking for your APN settings access point name, please send a text message with the word all, ALL, to 789922, and then you'll then get a text messages back that save all these APN settings, and they're the settings that tell your phone how to connect to the Virgin network. You may well remember when you first get a new phone and you put the SIM in, all these sort of things happened, but you've probably forgotten about that, and when you do a hard factory reset you need to go through that again. So for Virgin, obviously just check that you're not in airplane mode, check that there is coverage around here, check that your SIM isn't broken, but then if all of that's, normally everything was working all right and all you've done is a hard factory reset to blank everything, text all to 789922. For Vodafone, so I've padded that one as well, you text web to 40127. For 3, you've got to type in the settings yourself. So what I'll do is I'll put links to all of these in the description in the YouTube down below. For EE, you've got to do the thing. I mean, if you just search on Google for your network provider name, APN settings, that will normally take you to a page where you can put those settings in, and within a few minutes your mobile internet will be working again and you'll be happy and you'll be able to use the internet, use your games, use all of that sort of stuff, and you won't be panicking that you need to get a new SIM or get a new phone. Okay, that's enough from me. Hopefully that's helpful, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.